Hey everyone. Today I actually found this knife in my van, and I honestly completely forgot I even had this thing. It is a Kershaw 3410 RJ Martin design, made in China. Thing is crazy abused. I was not nearly in the knives when I actually had this thing. So pretty sad actually what this blade looks like. So I'm going to take it apart, try to make it, see if it can work a little bit better. Right now, it's kind of rough. Also got my work sharp here. I'm going to sharpen her up too. So let's get on started. I did notice right before, I thought it was Torx, but everything looks like it is Allen on this sucker. So got a 560 force here for the pivot. I've never taken this apart, so we're going to try this out. This has been an abused knife, so we're going to see what it's like to clean her up a little bit, give it a little oil, and see if we can get it to work in. So we got a little blue Loctite in there. Awesome. Like it's a D pivot. Cool. That should just push through here. Oh yeah, nice machine pivot. Really. Oh, wow. Okay, this thing has been not looking too good. Okay, we got a little. Whoa, what is that now? So we got a black washer that was on the back side, phosphor bronze on that side. I think we have to go to a next size smaller, which is a 16th. Oh boy, this isn't. Oh, I think I got her. She came loose. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stuff's falling. All right, we have another washer just fell out. That was on the other side. I can't even grab it. Come on, buddy. Small washer, phosphor bronze. These are tough to get out. I can't tell if that's spinning or not. Nope. Okay. I think I got her. I think we got her. Come on. My goodness. So we're going to try to bring this knife back to life a little bit. I was a bad knife owner when I bought this guy. I just bought this because it was cheap at a Gander Mountain or a Cabela's or something. I feel like it's turning, but maybe I can fit a Torx in there. I don't know. Sometimes you can get a Torx. Torx to kind of grab. Feels like it might. It is spinning. Okay. So this is actually free spinning in here. That's fun. Why is it doing that? Come on. Darn. Like 4 hands for this thing. Holy mackerel. This might have been a mistake. On the short side. hard to hang on to this guy. I need like a vise or something. What the heck? Two. I'm just seeing how what else I can do here. That one I got to spin out. Great. That one I got. Come on. I apologize too. I got a bit of a head cold, so. Well, I think I'm going to go like that route. Got these two out. Awesome. At least I can pivot it and clean everything out. So yeah, we're definitely gunk filled. Can't believe these little backspacers are all, they're like they will not. But I can get it mostly clean there. So got a little isopropyl alcohol here. Oh, not so. Just gonna get all this cleaned up. See if we can get her working again, like new. So yeah, it's a beautiful day here up in Minnesota. Almost 20 degrees out. It's like summer. Not really, but try to get the kids out on the snowmobile. That'd be fun. So yeah, I definitely bought this thing when I was a wee bit of a, oh, it just fell out. Wee bit of a, I mean, I always had knives growing up. Always had knives as an adult. But definitely wasn't like, I mean, now I'm just, after watching Grismo Brothers, Ecom Knives, you know, just kind of watching these builders build, the Simple Life, just really getting really more appreciation towards the knife industry. And that's something I just never really appreciated, I think, before, until now. So definitely, you know, looking at how their pivot's done and, you know, D-shaped. I get now I know why you do that. You know, so you can have a free spinning pivot, the detent track where the detent ball goes. Just even those, like, what the heck's a detent and why is it important? Why is it important to maintain your knives? This thing is, it's so dull, guys. It's crazy how dull this thing is right now. So nice to clean her up a little bit. And then I'll take it to the old work sharp and we'll try to actually bring a little life into it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is sad. I was not a good knife owner. Never again. Never again. It's kind of fun to find it though. I was like, oh, what the heck? I opened up my center console and it's just laying there on the bottom. So that was fun. Little surprise. All right. Just put that right there. Get these phosphor bronze. These things have been, oh my, abused. Look at, my goodness. Ooh. So this one had a dual. These are hard to pick up. North arm to the rescue. So dual on one side, and for some reason that one, yeah, that's a plastic one with a phosphor bronze. Very interesting. Huh. pivot. Yeah, nice machine pivot, nice and shiny. Blue Loctite on there. Alrighty, Roo. What do we got? We got that side. We'll put kind of the scale back together. I don't know if this is G10 or just a plastic. I mean, it's nice, nothing bad there. So again, this is the Kershaw 3410 R.J. Martin design. Used and abused by Jacob Lundquist here. All right, so what's the best way? Let's put the D side on first. That locks in there. I think this was the smaller. I'm just trying to see. I see the one of those times you're like, oh man, I should have paid a little more attention when this thing was taken off. All right, so we got, yeah, definitely larger ring on that side, smaller on this side. So it looks like you do your dual washers there, which I don't understand. Oh shoot, I forgot to put some oil in there. I'm using this as a pry bar because it's so beat up. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'll get a little nano oil going. Go. Stay. Put one. I'll just try to prevent any. This bronze does. It looks like it corrodes a bit. Spin that around. We're gonna put on the blade. Oh, I'm already stuck right to it. Got a little oil in there already. There we go. Oh, stop pin. Goes inside its little house. Come on. Oh boy, how am I gonna do this? Okay, I'll figure this out here. Fell out somehow, so just pushing down on the frame lock. A little bit of oil there. The bronze. Probably go the plastic route then after that. Okay. Flex that up. Gotta get it to go. Come on. I gotta have everything going together at the same time. There we go. Okay. Put that pivot in. Allen head, I definitely miss Torx. Just a little tight. Definitely mucho better for action. All right, let's get this backspacer put back together. Kind of janky. We're gonna use my Torx bit and an Allen head. Since it worked kind of okay to. Oh gosh, come on. Uh-oh. Not lining up too well. Oh boy. There we go. There we go. Nice and snug. I'm slipping. Slipping. Remind me not to put Allen heads on my knives. I almost made that mistake when I was first designing the Norden. At least that tightens up on the back there. Just gonna get them snug. Oh boy. Check out that centering. Not. We're a little off. With a little bit of... Wow. Feels pretty dang good. Just look at the centering. For blade play. Nothing lateral, side to side. Wow. I gotta say, I might want this in the pocket again. Right now, a tip down carry. It's kind of fun. It looks like you can switch that. And I'm debating right now. Maybe I want to switch that out. I'm usually not into tip down like that. Here. Swap that around. They gave you the option, right? Might as well take it. Look how easy it is to remove those two, which is quite nice. Flip that around. There we go. Nice. Lines up with the contours. Gotta say, Kershaw, not bad. Not a fan of the Allen. I like having the, wow. Nice lockup. Centering again. A little off. Turn that up just a little bit more. There we go. Oh, whoa. Oh, too much. Too much. Tighten those down. Loosen up the pivot just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Nice and centered. Good action. No blade play. Nice. All right, now let's sharpen this sucker up a little bit. Definitely not a sharpening savant or anything like that, but I've been practicing. Just gotta clean up my mess really quick. And so, sharp knife can cut paper, right? Dull knife. Oh my. Oh, yeah, that is sad. And we got some like really super thin newsprint. Oh my gosh. So from like a phone book. This is like insanely hard to cut. I've been using this guy. Definitely sharp. Just does not. I'm a little scared to sharpen that one still. But not scared to sharpen this one. So we'll see what we can do here. Gonna get a little moved around a little bit. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here we go. Clean up my mess a little bit. Bring in the work sharp. And I don't know, any of you guys used these before? Not too bad. I like it. This is just a really simple combo knife sharpener. Has a ceramic stone on the side there for you. Helps you with your angles. And yeah, we'll get started. You don't want to run your tip all the way through, so you just want to hold it to that angle, that yellow line, and do simple strokes. About the same speed. 3, 4, 5. Go to the next side. 1, 2, 3. So what this does is gives it more of a concave edge. So I'm just really trying to break a lot. This one has been, as you saw, very abused. Tip was pretty much near gone. So this might take a little bit, but hopefully it's worth it in the end. Looking better, not really feeling, well, I feel okay. Feeling the edge now, guys. You kind of turn it over to each side. Hopefully looking better too. Do a few more before I bring it onto the stone. All right, so then the stone, you just hold it on that line, and you're gonna bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you go same with the down. 1. Well, feeling pretty okay. So before I couldn't even cut paper. Not bad, huh? All right, let's hold it. So you guys saw the before and after. That thing was in rough shape. Nice. Not bad. I mean, I'm not a sharpening expert by any means, but that'll definitely be better than what it was. I couldn't even cut through a piece of paper. Now on that newsprint, I don't know about that though. This might just be not possible. It's trying. Oh, not bad. Tearing a little bit. yeah, not bad. Hey, Scott. Just brought this thing kind of back to life a little bit. I found this in my minivan, of all places. It was an old Kershaw I had, a 3410 R.J. Martin design. I'll be posting this on my YouTube channel too. This thing was insanely abused. The edge was completely gone. Almost like it felt like it was rusted shut. It wouldn't even open up for me. So took it apart, brought her back to life a little bit, cleaned it up, and flipped the clip around. It was tipped down before, so I got now tip up, and man, I kind of like this knife. I don't think it'll take the pocket quite yet. I have been thoroughly enjoying my North Arm, but man, I remember I loved how thin this thing was and how small it was in the pocket. It was like it just disappeared. So, yeah, might go back in the pocket. But there it is, the old Kershaw R.J. Martin 3410 8CR13 MOV China steel. But hey, it'll cut. There it is. Yeah, I used to have the old leak as well. I remember I dropped it once and broke the blade right in half. It was a bummer. I cried a little bit. Actually, that's trying to get my memory back. That's when I bought this. I was just at a Cabela's or Gander Mountain when they were still in business, and this was, pretty inexpensive knife. And I just needed something in my pocket. That was before I really was into knives. This is a good few years ago. I always had a knife, but yeah, this is actually not bad. I was like, oh yeah, I remember you. This is a good little knife. Forgot about you. She died in my minivan. So there it is. Sorry about the cold. And thanks for coming on the journey. I'll be posting this on my YouTube channel as well, JLQ Knives on YouTube. Just the full teardown and the sharpening process. Looking at the old Work Sharp combo knife sharpener. Pretty good for these quick sharpens. As you saw, it was this thing couldn't even cut paper, and now she's a little bit of a slicer. So not bad at all. All right, y'all take care. Thanks a lot.